So here at EtherWAN, we do our best to make things as easy as possible so you can get your connections up and running in minutes instead of days or hours.
Technology in this space is extremely diverse and it's extremely dynamic at the same time. That makes it very difficult for customers to try to figure out how do they use this stuff. It's great to have all this technology, but if you don't know what you're using it for, you can't get the best out of the application.
Our solution-oriented approach is essentially a 6-step process.
Initiation, planning, security, execution, training, and maintenance.
So the initiation phase is really just identifying the gaps.
And then when we do the planning, then we're on to the next stage where the customer likes what we're trying to do, and we help them plan out what their design should be.
You migrate that into security while implementing those measures. So we've identified what's there, we give you some suggestions, we tell you a little bit about security and how to make those suggestions very secure. Of course, after the security part, we have to do some execution itself. How do we actually deploy the products? The configuration files, planning of it all in terms of keeping all those things organized. So the execution is simple. It's really configuring those products and putting them into the network.
Fit this training where, hey, we designed all of this for you, you deployed everything, but now you really need to know what the product is all about, what your network looks like, so that you're able to handle small issues on your own.
If there's ever any questions and you need a little bit of help or you forgot how to do some of these things, we're just a phone call away with local English-speaking tech support to provide you any service that you need.
Whether it's a small project for one switch or 500 switches. These steps and processes came about because we know that we don't want to jump in the middle. We want to start from the beginning to the very end, and even after that.
Not everyone understands networking as much as they really need to. It's become part of the critical infrastructure of everything.
Networking communication is the backbone for what the future is going to be.
Because of the way we approach our customers and we want them to use the product and have the network be available for a long time, that it's future-proof, that it's going to be able to be used now, but also be able to be expanded later without.
We truly want to be vested in the solution you're trying to put together. We will act as a consultant, we will act as a trusted advisor, and we'll work with you to make sure it's done correctly.
What we often get in EtherWAN is, well, you're asking the tough questions. We ask the tough questions because we care. We care about the best practices.